So hello everyone, this is Raj Goswami. Now we are going to solve today's PUTD. Okay. So first of all, we will look for what is the problem statement. So they are saying that there is one string S of lowercase alphabet. So only 26 type of inputs will be there. I mean to say only A, B, C to Z will be there. Okay, and a number K. Okay. So what we have a string S and a number K to print the minimum value of a string after removal of K character. So we have to remove K characters from this string and we have to find the minimum value after doing it. Okay. The value of a string is defined as the sum of a square of count of each distinct of character present in the string. So basically, how can we find the value? To find the value, we have to do the square of their frequencies. The square of their frequencies. Let's say here, the frequency of A is 1, frequency of B is 1, frequency of C is 3. So what's the value of this string? It is 1 square plus 1 square plus 3 square. That will become 3 square 9 plus 10 plus 11. Okay. So how to get the minimum value of a string after removal of K characters? This can be done only by decreasing the highest value. Let's say you are decreasing 1. Okay, so it will become 0. It will. So by how much the change will become? Only 1. What I want to say is, if you will decrease the frequency of this lower value, you know then the change will not be that sufficient. If you will decrease the frequency of greater value, let's say 3 to 2. So initially it was contributing 9. Okay, 3 square was contributing 9, but after decreasing it will contribute 4 only, means the fall is 5. Okay, let's say 2 was there, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and the sum is I think 9 plus 13 plus 1 14. Okay, 14 is there. And now let's say by decreasing 3, the fall was 5. What about if we decrease 2? So 2 square was contributing 4, after decreasing it will become 1 and the contribution will become 4. The fall is only 3. For 4 it will, let's say contribution will be 16, after decreasing it will become 9, the fall is 7. So by that we can see that every time you have to decrease the highest number. Okay, every time you have to decrease the highest number. So we got the intuition. The intuition was this only, that every time you have to decrease the highest number. Simple. So first of all, we have to use a map. This map, what this map will do? This map will store all the frequencies. Store all the frequencies. Okay. So this map will store all the frequencies. Uh, Instead of that, we can use a vector of 26 size. Okay, in that you can also store it. Either will work, but in my code I used map only. You can use vector also. Okay, so after map we will use a priority queue. Okay, and this priority queue we will store all the frequencies. Let's say for ABCC it will come as 1 1 3. Okay, and at the top we will get the highest number. Okay, the highest frequency we will get at the top. So what we have to do, till k, so minimum k operations we have to do. So till k greater than 0, while k is greater than 0, we have to extract the top of the priority queue, decrease it, and again insert inside it. Okay, so right now the top is 3, so we will extract 3. 3 will come here, 3 will get deleted, 3 will decrease by 1, so it will become 2, and then again we will push it here. So 2 again, it will come at the top only. Okay, so the frequency will become 2, and now k will become 0 because initially the k was 1 only. Okay, so now we can't do anything. So that's how it works only. Let me give one more example and delete it. Okay. Let's say this one. Okay, so the frequency of A is 3, the frequency of B is 3, the frequency of C is 3. Okay, I think the frequency of BC is 4. 1, 2, 3. No, the frequency of A is 3, frequency of B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Frequency of B is 4. Frequency of C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Frequency of 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, frequency of C is 5. Okay. So the frequency of A is 3, frequency of B is 4, frequency of C is 5. We will put them in a priority queue. It will become 5, 4, 3. K is equal to 3. So for K is equal to 3, we will extract the 5, and this 5 will become 4, and K will become 2. Okay. K will become, now K 4 will be put inside the, will be put it inside, back inside the priority queue only. So again we will get 4 at the top. Now we will again extract the 4, we will put here. Okay, it will convert into 2 and K will become 1. Okay, so again 3 will be inserted here. Okay, and 4 will come at the top, and the 3 will be at the bottom of the 4. Okay, now we'll again extract the 4 and we'll put 4 here. It will become 3 and K will become 0. Now we can't do further operation because K becomes 0. Okay, not a big deal. Here K will become 3. We will again extract, again we will put it inside the priority queue. After inserting, it will become 3, and we will again what we are going to do, we will again iterate the whole this priority queue. 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, and we will get the value. So basically it will become 27. So I did the what we can say, I did the whole intuition part. So now we are going on the code. Okay, so I already solved the question, and I'm just showing that solution only because your time is very precious. So let me show the code. First of all, I declared map and priority queue. Then I iterated the string, okay, and updated the map. You can use vector also, not a big deal. Then I updated priority queue, taking all the frequencies of the map into the priority queue. Then I iterated for K is greater than 0. I will extract the top, will decrease it, and again we will push inside the priority queue. If it is not 0, if it will become 0, we are not going to put inside the priority queue. Okay, so if you will insert it, it will it doesn't matter. So I didn't write that equation also because 0 square is equal to 0 only, so it doesn't matter either. Okay, so then I declared a ridge is equal to 0. I put long int ridge because in a constant I saw n will go till 10 to the power of the 5 here, string length. So maybe maybe only A is there of the size 10 to the power of the 5. So 10 to the power of the 5 k square will become 10 to the power of the 10, and it is greater than int. Int value is till 10 to the power of the 9 only. So that's why I use long int. Okay, then while pq dot size is greater than 0, int t is equal to pq dot top. Pq dot pop मैंने निकाल दिया top वाले को, and then range is equal to t cross t. And if will become 10 to the power of the 5, the maximum value, this one 10 to the power of the 5, it will become 10 to the power of the 10, and it is inside the range of long int, so there will be no problem. But the answer should be returned in int. That's why I am taking this mod value and then returning it. Okay, I hope you like my solution.